afternoon, sir. Sir, we would like to ask, first of all, tell us about yourself, sir.
So I am Devashish Dev. I am from West Bengal University of Technology. I am teaching here for last 5 years in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And I passed from Institute of Radio Physics Electronics. I did my M.Tech there, and I completed my PhD from Jadavpur University. And after that, I did my postdoc by the Boyce Fellowship in UK, Scotland, Hertfordshire University. And after that, I got another postdoc in University of Western Australia. And my supervisor is Jim Williams. I did a lot of work on ellipse symmetry. And these are my education background. After that, I received 1 or 2 degrees, international awards by Government of India and URSI, International Union of Radio Science, Belgium, for which I received the Young Scientist Award on 2005 by President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan. And after that, I got last year in 2009, I got the Endeavour Fellowship from this University of Western Australia, Government of Australia.
Sir, you have recently written a book on basic electronics. Sir, please tell us about the main features of this book.
The main feature of this book is that it basically deals with the basic problems, starting with the basic features of, the fundamentals, really fundamentals of the book.
Okay.
That means we have started from the origin of the problem, and we have given the brief history, how it is started, so that students can get the idea of who has invented what are the things, and from that gradually we have improved to the advanced sections. Some section is for advanced reader sections there. It's not only book for the graduate students, it's for the researchers and the professors or teachers, whatever. They are just dealing with these problems and they want to know in detail based on the subjects and what are the future prospects. They are also given in that section, and that is divided in the advanced reader section so that students can cannot just go through that one, can avoid that one. So it just started from the beginning, 0 to advanced level, and all the equations are solved from the detailing, from the 0 level background. All the detailed calculations are there. That means students just can go through the book directly and they don't need any kind of references. So that is a advantage from the student point of view. They can understand clearly what it means and how it originates. That is the most important things. And this book, I think we have solved more than 350 problems. So that is a great thing. We have done a lot of studies, and from 0 level to the simple problems and advanced problems and critical problems. So we are divided in 3 sections, and a lot of MCQs are there, around 400 plus MCQs are there. And I think this will help the students to understand unless until you solve the problem by yourself, so you cannot understand what it means. So there are a lot of exercise problems are there. I request the students, all the readers, those going through this book, please try to solve the problems, and the solution manual is also available for this book. So if you want to solve the problem, then you can understand the basic electronics, clearly. And with this book, Professor Ghatak is with us. He is a great scientist, he is a well-known scientist. We have many publications internationally, and actually he is internationally famous scientist also. So he has done a lot of additions, deletions, and ultimately he gives his book in a nice shape. So I think this will be a great help for the students. There are a lot of books in the market. These books you give the fine age, and so that anyone can start from the beginning and go to the research level directly with this book. Although the book is basic electronics, but if your fundamental is clear, then you can go for research.
Absolutely.
If your fundamental is not clear, you cannot hit the problem.
Absolutely.
So that is the most important part of this book, what I believe.
So since there are many books in the market, how this book is different from the other books?
Yeah, other books, if you just go through that, that we have 14 chapters in this books, and starting from the basic diode circuits, BJT, bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistors, and we have also covered advanced MOS, CMOS circuits, and the electronic say for example the multimeters and the CROs, and explain with detail, starting from all the diagrams and the mathematical backgrounds, everything is given in detail with live pictures are there. So which is not covered in other books. So I think this is the big difference there. And in other books you will find out the equation is some equation of diode is there, but how the equation is coming, what is the origin of the equation, so that must be clear to the students, from the, that is the most important part I believe, and we have solved it for them. Those who really want to understand the subject, they can really go through it and they can understand this basic electronics clearly. That's it.
Right. So my final question to you is, tell us your experience of writing this book from Pearson Education.
Yeah, it's a quite long time it took, and almost 9 to 10 years.
I hope the results would be.
Hopefully, these efforts will be not in vain. So hopefully, you will be getting some sort of success, and the effort will be, so that we can, I believe that students and the readers are the best judge, and they can understand our pain, and they can understand, appreciate this thing, and then I think this will be great for me. And I should thank the Pearson team. They have worked excellently with us, starting from Vishwajit Bonik was there, Tapan Shah is there, and Rupesh Singh was there. You also today giving this interview, and the backend team, Rajesh is here, and Jagrashini, Pritha Priyambada, many other teams, Gaurav Jain, Samir is here. So everyone, we are working in a family. It's a big thing that we are very much close together, and we are working to this book, and very important thing is that for the students as well as for the teachers, we have to also make some PowerPoint presentation and lot of multimedia things there, which is available in the website. So even I can see the mobile MQuest things are available there. So it is a complete package that Pearson is developing with the authors. It's not only I'm feeling, it's great to be a team of Pearson. So I must thank all the team members of Pearson who is helping this book to promote and to make the, to help the student and the teaching fraternity. So it's a great experience for me to work with Pearson.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us this interview, sir. Thank you. Thank you
very
so
much. Thank you.